Hey, my name is Jane, and I'm also known as Whoopsie Daisy over on SplitCoastStampers. And today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute and quick gift card holder. You need a piece of designer paper that is relatively sturdy. If you have a designer paper that you like that is on the thin side, you'll want to layer that onto a piece of cardstock for added sturdiness. Okay. You want to trim your designer paper to 2 3/4 of an inch by 10 inches. Of course, you can make it as wide as you prefer to, but for today it's 2 3/4 by 10 inches. And you want to score this in half at 5 inches. Okay. To make the latch part of this gift card holder, you want to measure approximately halfway in on the end of the short end of your cardstock. Since this is 2 3/4 of an inch across, the halfway point is approximately 1 3/8 of an inch, which is about here, and you want to go down about an inch, so that would be about there. And what I like to do is take a paper piercer to the marked center and push through. That way I have a marked point on top and also one on the inside. To create this flap, you want to cut an approximately 45-degree angle from the left of your top flap to the center, to the marked center, and on the inside from the right side to the center. To do this, I take my paper trimmer, send the paper through, and again it's on the top flap, it's from the left to the center. So I'm just going to line up one end to the marked center, and slice to the marked point, and then I cut through just about 1/4 of an inch, maybe less actually. See that? And then on the inside I'm going to send the paper through so that I can cut from the right end to the center. Line that up. Again, I'm going to slice to the point and then just a tiny bit past the point. To close it up, you just slide the 2 slits together and you're done. For the gift card holder, what I like to do is take my gift card that I'm going to use, take a slit punch. This used to be sold by Stampin' Up. I looked in the new catalog, I can't find it. So here's the slit punch. I'm going to mark it with my pencil, and I like to do this because it takes the guesswork out of punching. I find that sometimes I just mispunch and then have to punch again and it's not quite as pretty. So I'm going to just find the marked area here, punch, and then the other side, punch, slide my gift card through, and there you go. All you have to do then is stamp a sentiment, add an image, this one is from Pink Cat Studios, and add a pretty ribbon, slide in your gift card, close it up, and you are done. Quick and simple. I want to thank my friend Joni, she's known as Kix, K-I-X, over on SplitCoastStampers, for having sent me this really adorable gift card holder many years ago. And this inspired me to make this tutorial for you today. I hope everyone enjoyed it, and I wish everyone a very happy and safe holiday season. Thank you for watching.